Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I keep looking at myself in like the little thing. I need to remember to look down here. Don't mind my back seat. It's very junky, if y'all can see back there. My car needs to be clean, detailed, all of that, but that's beside the point. Today I'm getting ready for my Houston trip. I'm going to Houston this weekend. So right now I'm headed to go get my nails done. I'm gonna take you guys with me to my nail appointment. And then after that, I am also going to get my lips done. I got my lips done one time already. I got a full syringe. I wanted to vlog when I first went, but I had left my camera and I was gonna be late, so I didn't have time to like turn around and go back and get it. But today I made sure that I had it for you guys. And if you guys hear that noise in the background, I'm gonna FaceTime my friend, but I put her on mute so I could make this little intro. Oh, she just hung up. I'm gonna call her ass back. But yeah, I'm just headed to my nail appointment right now, and I'm about to be fucking late. By like probably like 10 minutes. She only 15 minutes from my house, but and I'm just now leaving, so I'm probably gonna be like 10 minutes late because my appointment is in 3 fucking minutes. And yeah, I just got my nails done. This is what they look like. My fingers are so like, I don't like my hands. They look like old lady hands. But I just got a little simple you know, set, and now I'm about to go get my lips done. This is my favorite part of the video. Like, I'm so thirsty. Like, I'm going to this lady named Julia. I went to her before. She's awesome. I'm gonna add my nail tech information in the description box, and I'm also gonna have Julia's info in the description box. So I'm gonna have to get some gas and then head to my appointment. So yeah, see y'all when I get back.
It's gonna look normal. Cool. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take a couple before photos, and then I'll numb, and then we'll get started.
Cool.
And then I also have Sydney also if you want someone to hold it while we're injecting.
Yeah, I probably can do it myself.
Yeah. All right, sit back for me. Let's get a couple before photos. How was your healing process last time?
My lips were like really big for a long time, but they were only sore probably like after the numbing whirl.
Okay.
And
like
then
the
like
night of.
yeah, they started to feel normal like by the next day.
Great. And how was your bruising?
Minimal.
Good. All right. Head back. Let's do the numbing. Last time, did we take out your ring?
Yeah, we did.
We did. Okay. Let's do that again, and we'll put it back in. But
oh, I hope I don't lick this again.
gotta get every nook and cranny. There we go.
That's so funny. Piercing out. Lips are numbing. They're already like really juicy. This is me, guys. My 40 inches. I'm only gonna get a half syringe this time. My feet are so ashy. I did not oil them yet. My lips are starting to get numb. This is what they look like up close. I don't know if the numbing stuff make them like more fat because they look big.
All right, and this is Sydney. I don't know if you met her last time. She can help tie back your hair.
Hi. Is this syringe called that? Yeah. I'm nervous.
This is your second syringe. You shouldn't be nervous. You're a pro now.
Is the red dot the start and stop?
Yeah, it's already recorded.
Okay. So I will have to take like little snippets here and there. Is that fine with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let me do a quick assessment now that your ring's out. Perfect. Starting to feel numb?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, I remember you were like, I think you messaged me like day 2. You're like,
Oh, like this is gonna go down.
yeah, gotta go down, right?
So you've done one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just want to do like a half. I'm scared to do like a whole.
Did it hurt you a lot last time?
No.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
I just don't like needles.
Oh.
So the person that has a piercing in the middle of my lip.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Like, I don't know. I always be scared. Then I'll just be like, okay.
Once it's over with, it's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said just a little bit bigger?
Yeah.
Alright. We can always assess too, like if there's enough left, we can always put it in your chin. So we'll kind of see what we're working with here.
I want like my cupid's bow to be more like, I don't know.
Pointy?
Yeah.
Okay. Not a problem. So do you do your own hair or is that like impossible?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, look at you.
My wig's not going down today.
I won't pull on it too hard then. Alright, just gonna clean around.
I do mostly, or like sometimes the girls I work with, they might do my hair
Okay.
free.
That's nice.
Yeah, we do each other, so it works out.
Yeah. Already doing great.
Do you want my hand?
No, it's okay. I'm not that big of a baby.
I have to come in here and hold hands all
Yeah,
the time.
she's our designated hand holder. Look here.
All right, y'all, so I just finished, and these are my lips. They are big as fuck right now, but they're gonna go down a lot over the next couple days, over the next couple of weeks or whatever, because I came in February, like the end of February, and got my lips done, and they went down a lot. Like I was scared when I first got it because them bitches was big as hell, and I told her like I don't want no big fat ass lips, but it went down a lot, which is why I came back and got some more. So I'm just looking at myself in this thing. Huge, but they look good though. Can't wait for them to go down. But yeah, these are my lips, and now what am I about to do right now? I only got one client today, so I'm probably about to go, I don't know, I really need to go to the store because I have nothing to wear for Houston because none of my stuff came. So I'm probably about to go to the store and find a couple outfits. I'm gonna take some stuff that I already have, but I need more outfits, so yeah, love them.